Well, the family of Christian Glass says they finally feel like some sort of justice has been served. After 2 trials, a jury today found Andrew Buin, the former Clear Creek County deputy who killed Glass, guilty of criminally negligent homicide. Denver 7's Claire Lavazorio in Georgetown tonight with reaction from the Glass family.
The former Clear Creek County deputy is off to jail after a jury convicted him of a lesser felony charge. The Glass family saying outside of the courthouse in Georgetown today, after a 2.5-year journey and a retrial, there are finally some consequences for the death of their son.
We, the jury, find the defendant, Andrew Buin, guilty of criminally negligent homicide.
Dropping his head at the podium while the verdict was read.
Was this your verdict?
Former Clear Creek County deputy Andrew Buin learns his fate.
He's in handcuffs. He's being walked away in handcuffs and he's finally going to be in jail.
A second jury taking nearly a day to find Buin guilty of criminally negligent homicide in the 2022 killing of Christian Glass. Last spring, a jury deadlocked on a second-degree murder charge led to this retrial. Glass's parents, Sally and Simon, speaking after the verdict, saying the only real justice would be their son coming home alive.
Andrew Buin's alive. He's in rude health. He gets to live on his life. Our son is dead. 6 feet under, we had to fly with our son's ashes in our backpack on a plane to bury him in his home country.
Buin's attorney responding to the verdict, saying murder was never the appropriate charge in this case. And this case will have far-reaching implications for law enforcement throughout Colorado. The Glass family calling this body camera video key evidence leading to the conviction.
Take the keys out of the ignition.
Showing the minutes after their 22-year-old son called 911 that July 2022 night after his car got stuck in Silver Plume, leading up to the moment he was shot 5 times by Buin.
It's been a really, really long and tough thing for us. And it's not over, but this is what we've been waiting for.
After the verdict, the Clear Creek County Sheriff's Office saying it's continuing efforts to ensure something like this will never happen again. Adding the Sheriff's Office has restructured the leadership team, implemented policies and processes to align with law enforcement best practices, and established agency-wide training requirements and expectations.
Desperately hopeful that another family ever has to go through this.
Buin now faces up to 3 years in prison. His sentencing day is scheduled for April 14th. In Georgetown, Claire Lavazorio, Denver 7.